Welcome everyone. Today we'll explore the best free AI tools available in 2025 that can help with daily office work, from writing emails to organizing data and creating presentations. These tools save time, reduce manual work, and help you work smarter, not harder. Why use AI in office work? AI is no longer futuristic. It's part of daily office workflows. The goal is not to replace humans, but to support and accelerate our work. Imagine automating boring tasks so you can focus on real problem solving. AI Writing Assistant. ChatGPT is one of the most popular AI tools. You can ask it to draft emails, rewrite content professionally, summarize reports, or generate ideas. It's like having a 24/7 writing assistant. AI Document Editor. Google Gemini. Gemini integrates directly into Google Docs, which makes editing and writing much faster. You can ask it to improve tone, simplify language, or summarize long text instantly. AI Email Help. Microsoft Copilot. If you're working in Microsoft 365, Copilot can be a game changer. Even the free features help create cleaner emails and extract key information from conversations. AI Presentation Tool. Gamma App. Gamma lets you create professional presentations without worrying about slide design. Simply provide your topic or content, and it formats it beautifully. AI for Excel and data work. Sheets AI. Struggling with Excel formulas? I can generate formulas, clean messy data, and even convert text to tables, saving hours of work. AI Meeting Assistant. Fireflies.ai. Instead of taking notes manually, I can record and summarize meetings. This ensures nothing is missed and saves admin effort. AI Note-Taking Tool. Notion AI. Notion AI helps turn raw notes into structured content, perfect for team documentation and knowledge sharing. AI Scheduling Assistant. Motion AI. Motion AI automatically plans your day, so your calendar adjusts dynamically. A great productivity boost. AI Productivity Stack. Using a combination of tools gives the best workflow. Each one plays a unique role in productivity. Use AI safely. AI makes mistakes. Always verify before sharing or approving content, especially in corporate environments. Future of AI in office work. I will continue evolving, so learning these tools now creates a strong career advantage. Thanks for the watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for any questions.